Hi guys, welcome back with the second regular puzzle in this newspaper of Friday. Yes, Friday, September the 2nd, 2022. And I've told you earlier, the first Friday of the month we have always a speed test. And the first one I've already solved is the Sudoku Light. And now it's time for the Sudoku Heavy, the speed test of this month. Yes. Alright, let me position the camera. Alright, by the way, in this newspaper we have also an additional with extra puzzles. Extra puzzles, 7 extra puzzles, and half of them I will solve, but first we will solve this Sudoku Heavy. Yeah, 25 printed digits, this one I've already counted. If you compare with 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars and 4 stars Sudokus in the additional, this will be a 3 stars. For 3 stars you need to be faster than, no, you need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. But it's a speed test, so no comments or no talking, so let me start. It's already 1 minute past, so let's get started. Here we have one. Okay, 1. Oh, easy. The 1. 3. 3. 9. 7. 4 2 7 7 7 4 2 8 4 2 5 5. Come on. 7 1 2 3 4 6 4 8 9. Come on, the 9. We have a lot of 9s. 9. All 9s used. 2 4 5 2 4 5 6 4 5 6. How about these 2 and the 5? 2 and 5. 5. Come on. Think. 7 here. 6. No 6 here. There 6. 6. Here we need a 6. 6. 6. Come on. 5. Here should be the 5. 5. Oh yeah, 5. No 5 here. Wait. 5. Oh yeah, 5. So no 5 here. Here should be the 5. 5. Here should be the 5. 2 8 4. 8 2 4. 2, 4, and 7. 2, 4, 7. 7, 2, 4. How about here? 2, 8, 8, 8, 2, 8, and a 3. 3. Need a 3. Come on. Need a 3. 2 and 5. 5 we have here. 5 we need there. All the 5s are used. Yeah. No. We need a 5 here. 5 there. Okay. 2 and 4. 1, 2, 3. 2, 4, 7. Come on. No 7. 7. 2, 4. 4. No 4 here. No 4. This should be the 4. This should be the 2. 7. No 2 here. 2 should be there. 4 and a 7. 1, 2, 4. 2, 4. 2, 4, 6. 2, 4. 2, 4. This should be a 2. 6 and a 4. 2. 2. Come on. 2. 2 here. 1, 2, 3, 8, 3, 8, 6. 3, 8, 6. 6. 7, 4. 4, 4. 7. We have a 4, 4, 4 here, and then a 2 there, and then there the 2. Here I have already the 2. Need a 2 there. 7 is wait. Gone. 1, 2, 3, and a 8. 3 and 8. Yeah, 8. 3, 8, 3, 3, 8, and 4, 4, 1 box left. Oh, mistake, 8, 8, 8. Damn, here should be the 8. Wow. Mistake. So is this 8 correct? This 3 and 8. Or is this 8 correct? Then this should be the 8. This should be the 2. Here the 2. This 2 is not correct. Maybe this 8 or not. Maybe switch those. This should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 should be there. 6, 6, 6. 1, 2, 3. Here should be the 8. There should be the 2. 2, 2, 2. 1, 2, 3, and 8. Finish. 9 minutes. 9 minutes minus a 2. Well, not pleased with the error. But we solve it again. Let me check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes, correct. Well, we solve it again in 9 minutes, minus 1, 8 minutes. Well, with a mistake, but I've recovered the error. So, well, not pleased, but we solve it again. And yeah, I like this one. I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching with this speed test. Well, see you real soon with the other puzzles in additional. We have 4 puzzles left. Let me show you. Come on, where's the page of the puzzle? Here. 7 puzzles. Letter Sudoku, 2 stars, 3 stars, 4 stars. Tectonic with 1 star, and a binary. So see you later with all these puzzles. Bye bye for now, and have a great and fantastic Friday. Bye bye.